By default, File Explorer doesn't show folder sizes in the size column, but here's how you can view them easily using tooltips, built-in tricks, or third-party tools. First, open your File Explorer and then click on View and Options to open Folder Options. Then go to the View tab, scroll down, and check Display File Size information in Folder Tips. Now, when you hover your mouse over a folder, you'll see its total size in a small tooltip. To check one folder at a time, just right-click and choose Properties. You'll see the total size of all files and subfolders, or select a folder and press Alt-Enter to open Properties instantly. If you want a quick summary of multiple folders, open PowerShell as administrator and run a command like this. This command will calculate the total folder size including your subfolders. Since File Explorer doesn't natively display folder sizes in the size column, you can use free tools like 3size Free or Windorstat. These apps scan your drive and show detailed folder sizes in a simple, visual way. And that's it. You now know how to view folder sizes in Windows 11 with built-in tricks or third-party tools. Perfect for managing storage and cleaning up your PC. If you found this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.